Hi, want to know how to change caption or subtitle text color or background color on your Samsung Galaxy A14? So, as a first step, we would need to open settings on our phone and then scroll to the end of this page. Here, go to this tab which is named accessibility and then hearing enhancements. Here, we would need to open this tab named caption preference and here, as a first step, enable this feature. Then we would need to open this tab named caption size and style, and here, as you can see, we got this tab which is named caption style. Here we have some options. For example, here is it how looks the default one. Then we have white on black, black on white, yellow on black, and also yellow on blue. But if you think that none of these will suit you, here we can set our custom one. Here we can choose font family, text color, text opacity, edge type, edge color, background opacity, and also caption window color. And this is it. Now to save the changes, simply click few times on this back arrow to go back to the settings and all of the changes will be saved. This is how it works. I hope this video was helpful and thank you for watching.